So you want to buy a house, but you don't have any money to put down? I got options. With the down payment assistance loan, there's multiple options. And what happens is, sometimes it's if you can't convince them, confuse them. Some of the government grants run out of money, and then you're stuck in a purchase contract buying a house without any down payment coming because it's gone. I have an option that doesn't have that. My option takes it up a couple notches. With down payment assistance, it's very confusing. There's lots of options, there's grants, there's different things, and sometimes, surprise, these grants run out of money. Don't be stuck with that. You have the option of doing things a little bit differently. Lots of these programs have limited debt ratios. What that means is we're gonna count how much income is coming in versus how much is going out, but they have a maximum of 43%. What that means is we have to add up all your bills, your mortgage, your potential mortgage, everything going on, and it has to be 43% or less of your income. That's very difficult. My down payment assistance program that we put together will let you borrow up to 56.99% of your debt ratio. Now that's gonna take all your debts together, your car, a couple credit cards that you have on your credit, your mortgage, your taxes, your insurance, everything included, and then we can go up to 56.99%. That's unheard of. With our down payment assistance, we have the option to make your down payment of 3.5%, which is the normal FHA required down payment, 3.5% of the purchase price of your loan. This program can do two different things. First, we can make it forgivable, where you don't repay this amount. This money is given to you as essentially a gift. Second, we can have it repayable. It'll have a little bit lower of an interest rate and maybe more advantageous. But what happens is it's a very small payment, and that payment is included with your first mortgage. And this allows you to get the down payment covered so you don't have to come up with it from your bank account. An FHA loan is a loan for a lot of times first-time homebuyers, but you don't have to be a first-time homebuyer, and it requires you put down as little as 3.5% of the purchase price. With down payment assistance, you also have the option to take 5% of the loan. So what we'll do is we'll take 3.5% as your down payment and then give you 1.5% of the purchase price and apply it to your closing costs or anything involved in the loan, so you can bring less money to close. Our down payment assistance has the option of taking both loans, the first loan and then your repayable second mortgage, which is included in your payment, which is very small and interest only, meaning you're only paying interest on this, and refinancing them together for 97.75% of what your house is valued at after 6 months. So 6 months into making mortgage payments, we could take your down payment assistance that you put no money down on and refinance that into one mortgage at possibly a lower interest rate. For our down payment assistance, we're going to require that you have a minimum of a 620 credit score. And what we mean by that is we're going to take a snapshot of your current credit history, and we want to make sure that you're at 620 as a mid score. There's 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. We're going to take all 3 bureaus, and we're going to take a snapshot of where you're at, and the middle score of those, not the high, not the low, but the median score needs to be 620, and then you're not bringing a down payment. For the down payment assistance loan, you have options, but you may get stuck in government grants and things that sound too good to be true. When it sounds too good to be true, it is. These items will put you into a product that's not fitting for you. That's why we have to review all the options for your personal scenario. So with our down payment assistance, unlike many others, there is no property limit and there's no geographic location, and you don't have to be a first-time homebuyer. So we're inclusive of everybody that would like to have some help for their down payment, not limiting them and pigeonholing them into a product that doesn't fit for their situation. If you want to buy a house and you don't have a down payment, don't sit on the sidelines. Look at the options. Not only can we help you make the down payment, we can also provide some closing cost relief in some of our programs.